Hey everyone, hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Wanted to get you updated for those of you that are going to be doing a vacation or traveling to Portugal, and you might be doing Lisbon for a couple of days. One of the probably most popular, or one of the most popular areas within Lisbon is Belem. And the reason why is Belem has three attractions that are fairly close to one another. You could walk to all three of them. And one of them is Geronimo's Monastery. Across it, right on the water, is the Monument to the Discoveries. And just a bit west of that is Belém Tower. I'm going to throw in a fourth one. Where the original Pastel de Nata came to be is just a couple blocks from Geronimo's Monastery. So I don't want to miss that because that is a top attraction for people too. But I want to make sure that you're aware that Belém Tower, which often gets put in group tickets, like if you're going to go to one place, Belém Tower may be a part of your ticketing, that it's going to be closed for renovations for up to a year. Now, there may be sometimes special holidays or certain times that they may open it to the public. But just based upon where it's located and the amount of work that they need to do, it's going to be closed for the better part of a year. And I want to make sure that you're aware of that because it is probably a top 10 attraction if you're going to be going to Lisbon. And if you're going to Belém, usually there's this trifecta that you start at one, go to the other, whether it be monastery, Geronimo's Monastery, Monument to the Discoveries, and Belém. You kind of hit all of them. But the Belém Tower, just the way it sits, based upon the tide, gets surrounded with water. And over time, there's some damage that's been done to some of the foundation. And just watched a news article the other night. One of the engineers that's going to be in charge of the renovation just said there's some works that have been waiting inside the structure as well as outside, that they've been putting it off just because Portugal's so booming with tourism and so many people want to go to Lisbon and see some of the historical monuments that they've put it off. But now they feel like if they keep putting it off, there's going to be some major damage done. So they need to renovate now and take several months to do that. So if you're going to be going to Lisbon and you wanted to go to Belém Tower, you'll be able to take photos from the outside, but you will not have access to the inside. So as this renovation is updated, I'll try to make videos once they have sort of a timeline for when they're going to open it. I will certainly let you know. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the videos and enjoy your travels around the world. Take care.